Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a beautiful Igbo bridal inspiration. Let's get right in. Welcome back. Please do well to turn on your post notification and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on our juicy upload. Thank you. At this point, I was done with my skin prep, so I'm just starting off this video with the foundation blending. By the way, this video is very detailed, so keep watching.
I wish I could be strong, survive all on my own, but now I'm running out of hope. I need somebody else to save me from myself, a love too precious to let go. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. When I was a child, I thought I'll be alright, but futures can be full of lies. Yeah, it's never easy to find what you want, and if you should find it, don't dare to let go. If you hold on tight, promise you'll be alright. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Should I give it up and hope for better days ahead, or should I keep on searching for the one I haven't met? Should I keep on waiting for you, baby? Tell me when. Yeah, baby, tell me when. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I wish I could be strong, survive all on my own, but now I'm running out of hope. I need somebody else to save me from myself, a love too precious to let go. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where should find it. Don't dare to let go if you hold on tight. Promise you'll be alright. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody. Should I give it up and hope for better days ahead, or should I keep on searching for the one I haven't met? Should I keep on waiting for you, baby? Tell me when. Yeah, baby, tell me when. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I wish I could be strong, survive all on my own, but now I'm running out of hope. I need somebody else to save me from myself. A love too precious to let go. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Hey loves, welcome back. This Stereo Lip Stain are PR product from a Nigerian brand called Mino Beauty. I'll drop their Instagram handle below. Lip stain I'm holding, I'll be applying it on this lip. Okay. And I'm actually taking my time to apply the first color as a lip liner. I'm going in slowly. I deliberately did not fasten this video. So I'm just going in slowly, just the way I did it when shooting this video. Now, one of the reasons why I'm going in slowly is because I need you to see how it takes time for this matte lip stain to dry off. Like, it really do take time. All you need to do is moisturize your lip, or first of all apply a lip balm. Yes, you don't want to be applying a matte lip stain on a dry lip. Okay, that's another secret to work well with matte lip stain. But this lip stain right here, you can see how blendable it is. After applying the dark brown, I waited for some time before applying the pink, and then I'll go with a white nude shade. I'll blend all three colors together.
When I was a child, I thought I'll be
So I'm applying the third color. I love this particular color. I'll drop all three names down below on the description box. You can see how I applied the third one and I went back to apply the second one again. Now, most time, if you are done with blending a matte lip stain, it's very difficult to go back and reapply it again, because that is when it might really start cracking. But you can see I went back in to apply it again, like for the second time, and it's still blending easily. So guys, this is one lip stain you want to check out. Go to their page. Go to their Instagram page and place your order. And then again, I went in with the dark brown to do a total perfect finishing on her lip, and we are done. See how beautiful and how matte looking it is looking. And it's not even looking totally matte, but it is matte. See the three colors. Guys, I love it. If you love this lip, comment down below. Tell me what you love about this entire video. Go to their Instagram page and do well to order yours. And then I went in with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and we are done. If you're watching this video till now, I want to say thank you very much for watching my videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. If you're stopping by for the first time, please, I hope you enjoyed everything about this video. Comment down below what kind of look you want to see. I finally went in with a lip gloss because this gloss effect, I'm going to do a different video about their lip gloss. Okay, so guys, we are done. Beautiful bridal Igbo hairstyle. This hairstyle is also based in Warri Delta State. I'll drop a handle down below. And then this gorgeous looking beads and beautiful bridal robe and beautiful bridal fan is from Sonia Craft. Please like, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, remain positive, and bye guys.